First time we're coming to this place, and apparently it is absolutely massive. It's a huge shopping centre in Islamabad, well, just outside Islamabad really. So let me just get the front. So this is the entry and exit that way. It goes all the way around apparently. Yeah, because I've got to do this. Not at the moment, thank you. हम यूके वापस जा रहे हैं, so लेकिन हो सकता है अगली दफ़ा देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह। ओके, पहले हमने आगे पीछे देखना है, पहली दफ़ा आ रहे हैं इधर, so yeah, thank you, you're welcome. Oh, we just got collared by someone trying to sell something. Here's a little choo-choo train that takes children around. Well, it does look pretty big. What I might pay in the UK. So, you know, coming to the mall is alright, but they're very, very expensive here. What do you think, Mother? It's expensive, isn't it? Here's a men's suits, formal clothing. Here's engine. Oh, this looks like a more sort of Western style clothes here. So you tend to find these little corn stands. They're quite nice. It smells nice actually. Here we've got another, so there's a lot of formal menswear here I find. Lulusan, which we saw in the other place as well. Jeffrey's seems to be like a, it's luggage bags, handbags, a lot of menswear around here, like I said. Here we got Adidas and jewel shops. Yeah, so from an awful lot of shops. One thing I've noticed about these stores, they tend to have like small and medium and possibly large clothes, but not XL. They don't actually cater for the larger ladies here. I do like this. They've got sort of, it gives you a good idea of what might be on each floor. So you've got national brands on floor 1. International brands on the ground. We've got Carrefour, which is like a supermarket, food court on the top, so it's actually quite good. They've got these travelators, which take you up and down again, which is actually quite nice. I think it's oh look, some more shops. There's Skechers down there. I saw Levi's, Baskin Robbins. Let's see what's up here. So these are national Pakistani brands. And look, this shouldn't be happening, but it is. This is Junaid Jamshed in Giga Mall. It's tiny, absolutely tiny. Right, so, I mean, they've got some really nice suits, I have to say. These are the men's suits. And they've got a whole load of waistcoats over here as well. There they are. And you know, they've got like bridal, men's bridal wear. They've got cuisines over there, but it's really, really tiny. Video of just so this is J Dot. And here's like the ladies section. I've already done the men's section. This is the ladies section with the ladies' shoes. So there's a whole load here. I mean, it's pretty expensive, but they've got a lot of different designs. And you know, you can buy separate trousers. Okay, no problem. So they've got a whole load of cuisines here, and they're the cuisines. Those are like very traditional shoes. I can't remember what they're called. They've got like loose ones as well. Let me change that a bit, get it a bit smaller. So they've got loose fabric here as well that you can buy. This is quite nice. I like this jacket. So my son's trying stuff on. So there is a ladies section. Here are a lot of some of the birthdays that they've got. There's some more men's suits. So this is Junaid Jamshed shop. So variety bags and cosmetics. Oh my word. Okay. There's a big ideas store. So I think it's just a clothes store again. Big ideas. I think this is Nishat. This was like by the linen company. They do seem to have some very beautiful stuff in here actually. Some very nice stuff. So this is Nishat. Here. Oh, look at those. Very pretty. Very pretty. And we've got Coffee Planet. We've got Borjan. I think it's Borjan actually. Or is it Borjan? I don't know. There's Coffee Planet again on this side. We've got RTH, whatever that is. Choreo. So all these are Pakistani brands. And here comes the Giga Mall train again. Oh, look, Creed, look. Are these the poppy people? Caesarea, tiny ears, little people. No, thank you, G. Beginning, you know. Right, so there's Charisma, Mini Miners. Like I said, a lot of clothes shops. Look at this, look, another one. M Basics by Maria B. Fantastic was it Tea-tastic? Chinier, is it? Chinier. Mona, lots of embroidered suits here. Full of embroidered suits. Barize. So you can buy cloth from here, like loose cloth to make things with. I didn't know there was this many Pakistani brands, but obviously there are. There's like threads and motifs. There's Beach Tree over there. Logo. I don't know, logo beer? Oh, I can't read that. There's oats, so here, diners. We're back to this, aren't we? Yeah? So, right, so we were trying to find the bathrooms and we had to ask somebody, but even so, it's just not clear where things are, to be honest. I like their signage of saying, oh, you know, each floor's got whatever on it, but it really is not clear where the toilets are. I mean, now coming up here, past the edge of Shade again, I can see the toilet sign, but it's not clearly labelled as to where the toilets are. So here we are coming out of the mall. It's Azan time, which you can hear in the background. We've got a really nice little water feature here, which is very, very sweet, very pretty. And goodbye Giga Mall. Okay. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe, share and turn on your notifications, as this will help the channel to grow. Look out for my new videos coming up, and thank you for watching.